How many of you are living in your past? Majority. Majority of the people are living in their past. They make their decision what they have done in their past. They do whatever they have done there in their past. They are believing that they are capable of doing the things if they have done those in their past. I cannot do anything like that because I haven't done before. I have no experience at all. My past is very bad. My relationship is very bad. I can't do this. This is all rubbish. You can't live in your past. There's a lot more future in front of you. See the brighter side. Past is gone. It will never come again. You have to plan for your future. See the things from a different angle. See, what are you doing right now is because this is something happens in the past. And if you want the changes to be in place, then you have to do something so that your future will be bright. Right? So the only thing required is one. And listen carefully. The only thing that required to do the thing is only one decision. You will not do anything if you don't take any decision to do that. You always live in your past. See, if you want things to change, you have to change first. The things will not change unless you are doing something for that. Don't live in the past. Embrace the things you have right now. Have grateful for the things right now and prepare for the future that is coming. Don't make decisions because you have done something in past and you're regretting, and that's why you're not able to move forward. No. Keep them in past only. See, if you want to do something different, you have to change. If you want to change something, you have to change yourself first. And for that, only one step. You are only one step away from that. Simply take one decision that you want to do this thing, and you will see, you will start moving forward. But it's very difficult to take that decision because you have a lot of responsibilities coming on, right? You see, you have to do this also, you have to do this also. But if you want to achieve something in your life, you have to sacrifice. You have to sacrifice. You have sacrificed your childhood to become an adult. Yeah, it's a very deep meaning if you think. For each and everything you are right now, you have sacrificing something. So you have sacrificed your childhood, that is past. Don't live in that. See what you are coming. You are right now because you have taken some decision in childhood or in some early days, and that's what you are here. And if you want to be a bigger and brighter than what you are right now, simply make some decisions. Take some decisions that you want to improve your life. You want to go forward, to do something in your life. Don't sit and relax. You will not go anywhere. You are sitting idle and thinking, oh my God, what happens to me? He's not a good boy. He's a good girl. My parents are disgusting. I don't have this good relationship. I don't have good friends. I don't have money to do these things. All this is rubbish. Don't live in your past. See what you have right now. Start doing the things, and you will see a lot of difference in your life right now. I hope you understand. So now onwards, you're only one decision away from reaching your goal.